Hello, my name is Nikita Rollins. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I am 37 years old. I came to A-Check because I saw the ad in the green sheet, and I've been at home for like 7 years raising my children, and I decided that it was time for me to do something for myself. And I think the medical field is an awesome field, so I decided to call. I was very impressed with the conversation over the phone, and it led me to go and check out the facility. When I got here, first of all, the atmosphere. Very friendly, very warm, very family oriented. When I decided to get a career, all the support from my family. My children were so excited. I mean, they would run around the house with my stethoscope on and, "Oh, mama, you're gonna be a medical assistant, you're gonna be a medical assistant." And my husband, oh, his support was even more phenomenal. So it has really put a positive impact on my household. Okay, when I first got here, I admit it was quite challenging because I did not know anything. But with the help of the staff and a powerful teacher, man, I feel like I can get out there and conquer this thing. There have been times when I've had to go to the hospital for myself, or times when I've had to take my children to the hospital. And some of the receptionists or even some of the doctors were like, didn't really handle us in a caring manner. So I would sit there and I would think, hey, I think this would be something that I can do because I know that I have that open heart for people. Coming back to school has made me feel like I'm giving something back to my family. Besides the cooking, the cleaning, the washing clothes and all of that. I feel like when I get up in the morning and I'm getting out doing something productive, using my gift, using my talent in the work field, I feel like I have really accomplished a lot. So it has really boosted my self-esteem to the next level, and I am just more vibrant and more confident now than ever before.